Hi everyone and salam sejahtera to Miss Nur Ashira. My name is Sita Charlina. My course is Diploma in Tourism Management. So today I will present about an individual assignment which is about an article in English grammar and when to use and the. What is an article? An article is a short monosyllabic word that is used to define if the word noun is specific or not. Articles are normally used before nouns, and since they are used to speak about nouns, they can be considered as adjectives. Here is the definition of an article. An article, according to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, is defined as any of a small set of words of affix such as and, and the, used with nouns to limit or give definiteness to the application. According to the Collins Dictionary, an article is a kind of determiner. In English, a and n are called the indefinite article and the is called the definite article. The Macmillan Dictionary defines an article as a type of determiner word used before noun that shows whether you are referring to a particular thing or to a general examples of something. The indefinite article is a or an and the definite article is the. The types of articles that we have. There are three articles in English, such as a, an, and the. These articles are divided into two types, namely, which is definite article and indefinite article. Definite article are among the three articles that is said to be definite article. A definite article is used to determine something that is specific or particular. It is also used for plural nouns and to indicate the superlative degree of comparison. Furthermore, it can be used collectively noun as well. For example, the sun sets in the west. In the above sentence, the nouns sun and west are proper nouns and are specific, and so the definite article has to be used. The children are playing cricket. In the above sentence, the definite article is used to determine the plural nouns children. Here are the other of the example. This is the world's longest river. In the above sentence, the definite article is used to denote the superlative degree of comparison. The crowd sang along with the band. In the above sentence, the definite article is used before the collective nouns as crowd and the band. The indefinite of the article is the articles and are termed as indefinite articles. An indefinite article, as name suggests, is used to indicate something that is not defined or specific. It can also be used before singular nouns. Among the indefinite articles, and is used before singular nouns that starts with vowel sounds, and a is used before singular nouns that begins with consonant nouns. For examples, I had an apple for breakfast. Do you have an eraser? I saw an aeroplane. She has a pet dog. My father is a doctor. My brother gave me a calculator. Next is a or an. The article an is normally used before words that begin with vowel sounds. However, this is often confused with the idea that it can be used before words that starts with a vowel. Look at the examples given below to understand how this works. So, I have an umbrella. This is an orange. An elephant is crossing the road. If you see here, the words university and unique starts with a vowel. However, it does not have a vowel sound, but a consonant sound. U in the beginning. It is because of this reason that the indefinite article a is used instead of an. Studying in a university will give you a lot of experience. This is a unique way of communicating with birds. So in the example given below, N is used before MBA and R, though they are words starting with consonants. This is because the word MBA starts with M, which has vowel sounds, and M in the beginning. Likewise, the H in the word hour is silenced, thus having a vowel sound in the beginning. I have completed an MBA degree. I took an hour to reach the airport. The exceptions of words starting with a vowel but use A instead of N are one university, unique, uniform, unit, eucalyptus, utensil, euro, and UFO. The word starting with a consonant but use N instead of A is hour, honors, hourly, MBA, MBBS, MMR, honorary, X-ray, and Xmas. There are also some cases in which you will have to use indefinite articles "the" before a common noun. Look at the following set of sentences to understand how this works. For example, number 1 is my brother and I going for a wedding. Reception. The reception is held in an open lawn at 7 p.m. Example number 2 is I saw a dog at the end of the street. The dog came running to me. Lastly, examples of articles is the English teacher is absent today. I saw a bird sitting on the tree in front of my house. Not many know how to use an oven properly. Tom has a cat. We are going to buy a dress for our daughter. Carry an umbrella. I am sure it will rain. So that's all for today's video presentation. Thank you so much, Ms. Nur Ashira. I will be finishing this video presentation. Goodbye.